Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Intel chipset installations getting issue in HP OMEN 15. So how to fix? So first guys, download official website from official driver. Take to start on any browser. After that, in the Google search box to type this HP OMEN 15 driver. Okay, this is first official website. Click on first URL support.hp.com. Then scroll down, select your operating system. If you are using 11, so you can select if it is not showing here because it will support it. Okay, then scroll down HP, then find out the chipset driver. You can see chipset extract. This is chipset driver. Okay, then scroll down, chipset installation utility driver. So this is chipset installation driver, and download always latest one. Click to download. After that it will start the download in the download box. When it is click to open, and then next, I accept, then next. Okay, now it is working in the background. Then click to next, chipset driver, Intel chipset driver software, and then next, and then click to installations. Then now it is installed chipset driver, and then click to finish it, and then close. Click to start, type run, click to run, and type msconfig, click to OK. After that click to service, and then check this box, hide all Microsoft service, and click on disable, and then click to apply, and then click to OK. Check Windows Update service. Next step, click to start, type services, right click to run as administrator. After open the press W Windows Update, the find out. Scroll down, you can see Windows Update, double click it. If it is stopped, so click to start, but before that select automatic. Okay, and then click to apply, and OK. Then left hand side, click, you can see restart options there, restart button, so click on it. And after that, when it is completed, now it is completed, and then you can see Windows Update service is running status, it's running, and then close it. Then last and very important for your system, repair Windows files via command. Click to start and type cmd, and then right click to run as administrator, and then type this command, and this command I will give in description, so you can copy paste, otherwise you can type manually. This is very important for your system. Okay, then next command, if it after that it will start a percentage wise 1 to 100%, and when it is complete, then try to second one, then type sfc scan now, and then hit enter. After that it will start the percentage like this. Okay, and when it is 100% completed, then guys restart your system, and then please check your issues. Okay, after that please check your system is normalized, it will update. So guys, thank you.